Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to accept Plex invite. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video since the process is quite straightforward. Launch open your Plex application and make sure that you're logged into your account. If someone has sent you a friend request or an invite to join into Plex, you will need to accept the invitation first. So from the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner and then click on your profile picture located at the top left-hand corner. Now click on the request button right next to edit profile and you'll be able to see the friend invitation received to you and all of the friend requests that you've sent from your account. To accept the invite from a friend, simply tap the tick mark right next to the person's user ID and you'll be able to accept the friend request. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the friend on your friend list. Simply go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left one more time and tap on discover. And if you go to the people tab, you'll be able to see your friend list displayed right on the screen. So that was how you can easily accept a friend request or an invite to join into Plex within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.